got the Miracle Elixir and Salon Treatment, are you lucky? It is the best conditioning treatment and salon that I have ever experienced. When it says results, it really gives results. Now, to prolong the results of this treatment, you want to make sure you're using your Miracle Elixir spray. It's essential. It's like the insurance to your treatment. It's going to prolong the results and give you even better conditioning at home on a daily basis. Each time you wash, you're replenishing the conditioning agents from this treatment. When you're applying your conditioning product, you want to spray it generously through your ends. Most of your damage, most of the time the hair is compromised through the ends and around your hairline. The hair is finer around your hairline, so that's why it gets compromised easier, unfortunately. So you do want to make sure to get your conditioning product through your ends and around your hairline really well. Also, through the top some. We're just going to apply less product in that area. So when you're applying, when you have a spray product, you want to shake it up first, and then you're going to start to spray really well and start through your ends. Notice I'm not holding my spray bottle this close to my hair. I'm holding it out here. So by the time the product gets to my hair, it is dispersing. The key to any product application is even distribution. When you're spraying your product, also make sure to lift it. I'm lifting. I am bringing my hair away from my scalp so it doesn't get too close to my scalp, and I'm spraying a generous amount. The other key to product application is to always start in the area where you want the highest concentration of product. If it's a conditioning product, you want the highest concentration through your ends and just a little bit of the product through the root. If it's a volumizing product, you're going to want more of your concentration of product through the top, through the roots, because you want that volume and lift right at your scalp. And you're going to have less of that product through your ends. Hair product, it's all about testing, trying, see what works for you. Play with it. Just if you don't like it the first time or the second time, it might be because you're applying to the wrong area. It might be because you're putting the highest concentration of the product in the wrong area. It could be that you're using too much or too little of the product. It could be that you're putting the product on when your hair is too damp or too wet or too dry. So play with it. All these factors really count when you are applying styling products.